The 5 best laser levels of 2024. For completing any home improvement project. Bring some special operations gear to the job site or home install with the best laser levels. These helpful tools make it easier to get the perfect measurement for your work every single time. Whether you're hanging pictures on a wall, completing a construction project, or doing any task where you need precise alignment, most laser levels project a horizontal line, which is beamed out across your workspace to establish a uniform height. But some also project a vertical line to help you vertically position things. 2. However, depending on the types of projects you have on your to-do list, and the features that'll be most helpful to you as you're working, one type of laser level may be a better fit for you than others. We tested 25 laser levels in our Des Moines, Iowa, lab to determine which ones are the best for most home and outdoor projects. Each of our experts recorded how long it took to get the laser leveled, measured for deviations on each axis to ensure accuracy, and recorded how easy the device was to use. They also noted the quality of the laser's design and even performed a durability test, dropping the laser onto the floor repeatedly to see if it suffered damage. To pick the best laser levels, we then tallied all this data and compared the results. Number 1. Sigman 3x 360-degree green laser level. Happen to be framing a house, grading gravel across a patio, or installing a staircase and banister. In these cases, the high-tech features of the Sigman laser level self-leveling 3D crossline level make it one of the best laser levels on the market. This high-visibility green diode laser does a great job in enclosed areas and open spaces alike. So you'll be able to see the beams no matter where you're working. Plus, with 3 beams emitting 360 degrees in a laser target plate, it's versatile enough for all sorts of jobs, unlike cross-line beams that throw a horizontal and plumb line onto the wall. The CIGMAN emits beams 360 degrees, on 3 planes to give you accurate alignment in all directions using. The laser target plate allows you to measure and adjust your job throughout the space. It makes it ideal for laying foundations, or setting up an even grade for a foundation. These can be turned on or off, depending on the project you're working on. With self-leveling and manual leveling, you'll also be able to use your Sigman laser level to work at an angle. Set up stairwells, or draw out more complex patterns. This laser level comes with a mini tripod but also affixes onto traditional tripods, and comes with a powerful magnetic connector that mounts on walls, columns, and more. Its rechargeable battery is a nice feature, and while our tester found the remote control to be an unnecessary feature, some might like it for completing their projects. Number 2. Hikika 50-foot laser level. A straightforward addition to any tool chest. This red cross-line laser is a great pick when you're looking for a small laser with wide applications. The Hikika 50 feet cross-line laser level offers both self-leveling and manual modes, ensuring it will be just as useful for hanging pictures along the slope of a stairwell as it is for lining up cabinets. Our tester found that while the Hikika laser level offers great accuracy, they had to refer to the manual several times in order to use it correctly. While it took a moderate amount of time to set up an accurate line, they said that with more practice, the Hikika would be extremely accurate and helpful to use. With an L-shaped magnetic connector included, this laser is quite easy to set up on a metal ladder rung or work table even if you don't have a tripod. During testing, when we dropped this laser level multiple times to check its durability, the device suffered no scratches after falling and remained just as accurate as before. This makes us more confident in its ability to last over time. We also like that it has an IP54 ingress protection rating, which ensures that it won't get damaged by water or dust while on the job. Number 3. Bosch Cross-Line Laser Level. The Bosch 30-foot cross-line laser level clamp adds extra value to this device for its easy use, making it the best laser level for mounting just about anywhere in your home. By clamping it to tabletops, chair legs, the lips of ladder steps, or bookcases, you can connect to just about any surface between 0.5 inches and 2.25 inches thick. However, the connecting thread is also compatible with standard tripods, ensuring you'll be able to use your laser for more professional applications as well. This makes it super easy to use anywhere in your home or worksite without a lot of planning or setup. The Bosch 30-foot laser level does an excellent job with moderate distance projection. Reaching up to 30 feet, its red cross-line laser self-levels reliably well and is quite visible, making it effective for use in most environments. It took our tester just under a minute to level a horizontal line, so it's quick to set up, too. The Bosch 30-foot laser level is also reliably durable, suffering no damage after repeated drops, meaning it'll last a long time whether you use it once a year or far more frequently. The self-leveling system also locks when the device is switched off, making it easy to toss into a backpack or toolbox without worry. Number 4. Hupar 3D Laser Level Cross Line. Designed with useful features and built to last. The Hupar self-leveling green laser level is the best laser level for rigorous job sites and frequent use. Not only is this laser level sturdily built and capable of withstanding tough falls, but its green beam is also highly visible and reaches up to 180 feet. The Hupar self-leveling green laser level is one of the pricier models we tested, but with such reliable accuracy, we still think it's a value buy. Our tester found that the auto level had no deviation, and created a perfect horizontal line in just under 30 seconds, one of the quickest self-leveling jobs of any laser we examined. The level sports a 360 degrees horizontal line paired with a 140 degrees vertical cross line, and 2 red plum dots. Its bright green lasers are quite bright, making the line easily visible whether you use it indoors or outside. It's one of the better picks for setting up patios, fencing, and other outdoor work. Number 5. DeWalt Cross-Line Laser Level. DeWalt is known for making tough and durable tools, and the DeWalt line laser is one of the best laser levels where toughness is concerned. It boasts over-molded housing for better protection and an IP54 rating, meaning it's built for hard falls, accidental water exposure, and dusty job sites. This red cross-line laser delivers solid range and has very little wobbling as it self-levels. Our tester found that the laser took very little time to level a horizontal line. Quickly its pendulum and getting the job done in under 30 seconds. With 2 buttons to activate the vertical and horizontal lines, it's equally a breeze to switch modes. This means it makes a great no-fuss tool, whether you're completing a simple task or a more complex one. The level comes with a classic magnetized mount that makes it easy to hook onto studs, door frames, and ladders, but also includes a novel socket for ceiling mounts for easy setup anywhere. Like other red lasers, this will perform best inside. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon and comment below.